Hi, my name is Kristen Johnson, and I serve as the Director of Student Diversity and Equity for Lone Star College-Kingwood. I'm here today to tell you a little bit more about our Intercultural Center. Our Intercultural Center aims to help students develop interculturally competent individuals. So what does this mean? It really means helping students step outside of their comfort zone, helping them to interact with people who may be different from them. And the way we do that is by engaging students in activities and culturally themed month programming. That includes Hispanic Heritage Month, International Education Week, LGBT History Month. It includes Black History Month, Women's History Month, Sexual Assault and Prevention Awareness Month. We also do some programming centered around mental health awareness. And we also do different events that allow us to have difficult conversations, but provide great dialogue and help students walk away being more knowledgeable and helping to navigate their college path and the path beyond college. We also have a food pantry that we do in conjunction with the Men's Center and Women's Center on our campus. One of the barriers that sometimes college students have is that of food insecurity. And so we want to ensure that food insecurity is one less barrier that students have at our campus in terms of their college success. And so if we can eliminate food insecurity and that being a barrier on our students' college success path, then we want to do that. This food pantry is ran by students. It's open to students. It's open to staff, faculty, and also community members. And so we're happy to have it on our campus. That's just a little bit about our center. We do so much more. We hope that you'll check us out on Facebook, that you'll see some of the programming that we're doing, and we hope to see you and visit with you. If you would like to contact someone from our office, you can contact me. My email is kristen.a.johnson@LoneStar.edu.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.